You're talking to yourself. You're making accusations. But listen, I'm not done.
My bad.
Okay. She's scared to death.
I get.
We're 194, 192. Let's start for a heat. Obviously, 75 Southwest North. Originally said 2 people to 19 and 2016, but then they said someone was trying to break into the house. Male, black shirt. Tried to get into the front door. I think they possibly walked away now. No direction of travel yet. Give no additional.
194 copy.
On October the 6th, 2023, at approximately 7:50 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police responded to a call about a burglary in progress. When they arrived on scene, they quickly determined that the caller was hallucinating due to mental health or drug use, and the investigation quickly changed course. This is a very common way for officers to encounter people suffering from mental illness.
No. I'm just checking his doors. Oh, front door.
Area 10-6 information for officers in the area coming into town. Eastbound from marker 88.
Like 5-6 houses down.
Ford Ranger, unable to maintain lane.
And then I thought, like,
Drivers,
and then I was like, all right, let me fucking get him. I literally heard it. And
What's your first name?
Ethan.
Ethan, I ran into you before.
I was gonna say you were familiar, bro.
Yeah, you were having a bad reaction to drugs at that point.
Oh, dude, I know what you're saying.
Are you?
the
Did you
dollar
take
bill?
anything today?
Nah, I've just been up.
Look, you're not in any trouble.
Nah, I got you. I look rough.
But there's
been up all night, maybe.
But there's
No,
nobody
I've been
here.
up for like 2 days.
But there's nobody here.
No, he just left. Like literally, probably like. Right,
Is this a roommate or a friend of yours or a neighbor?
No, it's the dude.
Okay.
He was like trying to fight me.
Was he checking your door now?
Yep.
Okay.
You seen him before?
Nah, I've probably seen him, but like, just hey man, type shit. I never like.
Okay.
It's a long night.
All right. What can we do to help you out now? I mean, despite that issue, are you?
Are you going to bed?
Just trying to. You want to do? What are you up to? I'm not walking all the way down.
What's his name? Was he just knocking on your door trying to get your attention, or?
Yeah, so I don't know the guy who's knocking on my door today. He's not doing more than get my attention. He's going to fight me.
How far down are we going?
There you go.
That's the one?
Yep. No, she wants to talk to you too.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's gonna be like,
We'll talk to her. Stay in your house. Try to get some rest. All right. We'll go talk to her.
So I hear that kid walking and talking, but talking to himself and smoking a cigarette. So I'm like, is he on drugs? Like, what's going on? Then he's in this backyard, casing around the yard, in this one here. And I'm like, okay, what is he doing? I hear him talking to himself. Next thing you know, I'm trying to make coffee, and I hear he's pulling my fence in the back, and I'm like, what is this person doing? So I started screaming, obviously, and I said, get out. I have him on video, and then after this whole thing happens, he's just pacing between these 3 homes, just standing outside of my house, and I was like, get out of here. So my father's actually coming, because I didn't know him. Like, dude, I dialed 911 twice, but I was like, I don't know if I should call, because he kept saying, your boyfriend or your husband told me they could call. I don't have a husband, and my boyfriend's in New York right now. Like, nobody told you could go in my backyard. I am fairly certain. My name is on this house. So.
Get out! Go! You fucking don't! Go!
To this run, please, and
I saw you go into this yard before.
He just keeps going.
Yes, I saw you go back here. For what?
And That's
What
where
did he
it
say
stopped.
there?
I don't know.
So is he like, you said he's shaking the fence or just kind of like
Oh no, he was
pacing?
trying to literally jump, like get over my fence, and that's when because I didn't think he was coming in my yard. I thought he was going to be in the Waters used to live here. I thought they were going to be back here, him or whoever it was. So I was like, I have a back door and a screen door that I can kind of listen. So I'm listening and I'm like, I'm hearing the noise come from the other side. So I busted my door open and I saw the hand over my fence going like this, and that fence is like dilapidated. So it's pretty easy for me to break it.
Just to tell you 100% what he's doing, he said someone's at he's been somebody breaking into his house, back door, front door, banging on the door, and he told us that person was coming from this area, which was why he thinks that's why he was probably walking here trying to find that person.
Okay, no.
No,
Yeah.
we agree. We agree.
We all know.
I understand that.
Yeah.
But that's the hallucinations he's dealing with at this point.
Okay.
So you're in no safety issue with him. He is harmless. He just doesn't understand. He's got
Right.
something running through his mind that's
Mental
not.
or drug induced or both or something. So I don't think.
So we're gonna go back down and talk to him and see if
Yeah, and it was
we can get
interesting
him to go
because
somewhere,
he
maybe.
kept telling, yeah, I hope so, because he was telling me, and that's what freaked me out. I was like, this guy is trying to break in and he's from the neighborhood,
Yeah.
and that also made me a little bit like, wait a minute, am I overseeing this right now? But I'm like, no, you are not. He tried to get into your backyard.
Yeah.
But
No, you have
'cause
legitimate
because
concerns.
he knew that he said the Waters used to live here. Because
Mm.
he said they said I could come back here. I said who? Who said? Who owns this house?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're doing a good job. Ring camera does a great job. Just
Yeah,
alert
I have
us
one on
of
the
stuff.
back too.
Yep.
It's helpful. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I really
Yes, ma'am.
appreciate you guys.
Yep.
Have a good day.
Yep.
Thank you.
Hey, buddy. So we went down and talked to her.
Oh, vasculitis, dude.
Yeah, what?
Vasculitis?
Oh, okay.
Like edema?
We went down and talked to her. She has video of you walking in your yard. Listen to me.
okay.
Listen,
Hey.
okay? You're talking to yourself. You're making accusations. But listen, I'm not done.
My bad.
Okay? She's scared to death.
I get
So it's nothing that she's done. You came down and went into her area. She also has video of you trying to get through her fence area.
yeah.
You can't do these things. Do you understand?
No, I completely understand. I wouldn't have done it unless I thought I heard like an okay from him.
But which is not happening.
Right,
You're-
no, I
you-
literally-
you are
I was
you
like-
are clearly hallucinating. Something's going on, and I think it has to refer to what we went through a couple weeks ago.
Bro, no, I was literally.
You said you've been up for 4 days,
3.
3 days. That's not normal, correct?
I know.
So, what can we do about this?
Oh, actually, I got a sponsor last night.
You what?
I got a sponsor last night.
Sponsor for what?
Like I kicked everything like 2 weeks ago, and the stuff you were called for, that wasn't even for that was nonsense. I get what you're saying.
Right?
Yeah.
So you're saying the stuff that you call about is nonsense?
No, I was talking about him when he was at
Oh,
certified. This was like 6 months ago.
A couple weeks ago, we were out here and you were taking.
You
to the
called
hospital
us.
and
Oh, I
ambulance,
do remember that. Yeah.
Yeah.
You called us and said I took something and I'm having a bad reaction to it.
I did.
Yes.
And then
So
this
I'm
dude-
thinking that's possibly what's happened now. Whether it happened 3 days ago or if it just
Hey,
happened,
Mom.
something's going on.
Like, dude, I was literally upstairs and heard this, like, commotion with my window open.
Do you feel like you want to go to the hospital, man, and get checked out?
Dude, I was there earlier, and
Earlier when? Today?
I actually went yesterday to get like helped out, and the nurse just did a bad job on an IV, so the IV ended up like
Where?
going
Show me.
right there.
Yeah.
Also, they did this one.
Having a hard time? Well, gosh, I see your veins. It shouldn't be an
You
issue.
feel like you're in a worse place now than you were yesterday? Or is this just exhaustion and you're seeing things that maybe that aren't there?
I'm not seeing anything. I literally just like thought I heard, "Hey, come get this dude."
So
Because I was all right. So
what
at
would
first,
compel you to go down the street here and start rooting around our house?
no, I heard that through the window,
You heard what?
like just hooting, hollering. He was supposed to be going inside. I don't know why.
But why would you take it upon yourself to walk 5 doors down?
He's my neighbor, bro. Like, I was supposed to, he should have been inside with his family sleeping.
Who?
I mean,
Right next door.
yeah.
They have said nothing to us.
Yeah, the woman was just out here.
Probably shouldn't have said anything either, but
Where's your mom at? Is she here?
no, she's right there, bro.
I know, but is she?
Oh, she's down the street.
Where you at, ma'am?
I'm at work.
You're at work.
Yep.
Is that right down the street? Because that's just what he told us.
No, that's what she just said. She works in like Hilliard.
Are you listening to this conversation we're having?
She's probably like, he's a dumbass. He shouldn't have even called.
Well, we're not trying to give you.
Okay, so he called us about someone breaking into
I
his
just didn't
house,
want people to get
and
hurt.
then we went down five houses down, and she's got video of your son basically
She does.
talking to himself and then trying to get her in her fence.
Okay.
Do we think we need to do something with your son today?
I do.
You do?
I would hope.
What hospital do we need to take him to?
Dr. West.
Give another, I'll give
Okay.
another nurse. I have no problem with that, you guys.
Get your shoes on. We're going to Doctor's West. You're
Alright.
definitely, you need some help, sir. Okay?
I appreciate it. I'll be right back.
Do a lot of that.
Honestly, I'm not even.
Okay. Well, that's where we're going to go. We're going to take a 5-1 over there.
Alright. I was trying to make sure I have my keys, but.
I'll take it.
We're
I think
good.
191's going to follow.
Alright.
Okay, sounds
Sorry,
good.
man.
The worst
No,
part
you're
is
cool,
just
you're
let you know,
cool.
right?
You still there, man?
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Yeah, I guess he doesn't have a key to get back in. So
No,
at some
I
point-
must have left it in there.
I think he's got a key in the house. We locked the door, but we're gonna take him down the street anyway. All right? Just so you're aware, he's not gonna be able to get back in. I don't think if they do release him.
Nah, I just asked my neighbor. They won't release me today.
Thank
Okay,
you.
let's go.
Well,
Let's go ahead and 195.
they won't release me.
No, they won't. I mean, you just got, you just need, you need to rest, number one. 3 days up is not cool. You got anything on you? Just got to hurt me, stick me, cut me?
Cut you down here real quick.
Wallet, lighter, cigarettes.
We hold on to your stuff up front. We'll get it back to you.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, hop on in, sir.
You see your wallet?
Oh, sorry.
Are you able to pick up the seat? Yeah, man. I think some rest will do you a lot of good. This belt's not working right. You can slide over if you want.
Gotta love this car.
This jacket, we
Sorry
can
about that.
Nah, you're good.
throw this back here.
Get it on. Thank you. There's something wrong with this. Say something. Got like this loud beep when I put it in reverse.
Oh yeah, that always goes off for 5.
Stays on like that?
Stays on, yeah, no matter what.
That's awesome. Okay. Right.